Hello, my name is Luqman Azad bin Aris, 1680 20F 2003, and my two fellow friends. Today I would like to present about what is transistor. A transistor is a terminal electronic device made of semiconductor material. Transistors have been used include amplifier, switch, voltage regulation, and model of signal. Bipolar junction transistor. We can see that BJT have three parts named emitter, base, and collector. GE and JC represent the junction of emitter and junction of collector respectively. The emitter base junction is forward bias and collector base junction are reverse bias. That's for all. Thank you.
My name is Sharifah Naqlis Damia binti Saidi. My matrix number 16DAT20F2013. Next, this is example for IV characteristic by bipolar junction transistor. Explanation about this diagram is practically the working of a transistor is very simple. It can be used as a switch or an amplifier. Basic understanding, let's start with how transistor as a switch works in a circuit. On the figure below, this current turns on the transistor switch is closed and allows the current to flow from collector to emitter. This current is called the collector IC and the voltage across the collector emitter is called VVE. Next, I will explain about common base configuration, called as the grounded base configuration. The base of the BJT is connected as a common between both the input and output signal. The input to the BJT is amplified across the base and emitter terminal, and the output from BJT is obtained across the base and collector terminal. It will be quite higher when compared with both the IB and IC, as the emitter current is the sum of both the base and collector current. Next slide and explanation I will give to my friend Nabila Hazwani to explain about it.
My name is Nabila Hazwani binti Muhammad Syafi'i, number matrix 16T80 20F 2002. Common emitter configuration. The common is also called the grounded emitter configuration. The emitter acts as the common between the input applied the base, emitter, and output obtained between the collector and emitter. This configuration produces the higher current and power gain. That's all from us. Thank you for listening.